10 tactical gadgets that are worth every penny. Did you know that more than 80% of survival or tactical failures come down to one thing? Lack of preparation. Not gear, not brute strength, just the wrong tools at the wrong time. In critical situations, the gadgets you carry aren't just accessories, they're your lifeline. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a weekend warrior, or just a fan of functional gear that gets the job done, this video is for you. Today we're diving into 10 tactical gadgets that have earned their place in bug-out bags, deployment packs, and backcountry loadouts. These aren't gimmicky toys, they're time-tested tools, built to perform when your life depends on it. Snugpak Softie Elite 5 Sleeping Bag. Let's face it, being tactical doesn't mean freezing your butt off in the woods. The Snugpak Softie Elite 5 is one of the most capable sleeping bags you can find for sub-zero missions, field operations, or rugged survival outings. Rated for extreme cold down to 15 DC, this bag uses Softie insulation and a deployable expander panel system, allowing for added ventilation or snug warmth depending on the condition. It's military-grade, water-resistant, and packs down shockingly small for its insulation power. But don't let its warmth fool you. It's lightweight enough to carry long distances without becoming a burden. If you've ever tried sleeping in wet socks while shivering through the night, you'll understand why this one's worth every penny. Tactical Assault Gear CamelBak Hydration Pack. Dehydration is one of the fastest ways to derail your mission, tactical or otherwise. That's where the Tactical Assault Gear CamelBak Hydration Pack enters the picture. Engineered with tough Cordura fabric and an integrated 3-liter reservoir, this hydration system keeps your water accessible without ever breaking your stride. Whether you're trekking across uneven terrain or in the middle of a field op, being able to sip without stopping is a game changer. Plus, the MOLLE compatibility means it's easy to strap on extra pouches and gear. Just remember, the key here is discipline. Fill it, clean it, and carry it. Nothing's worse than reaching for your CamelBak and finding yesterday's swamp water. Black Diamond Equipment Voltage Ice Tool. When your path leads through frozen terrain, one slip could mean disaster, and that's when the Black Diamond Voltage Ice Tool becomes your best friend. Designed for vertical ice climbs and alpine missions, this piece of gear offers a curved shaft for improved swing and aggressive picks for secure placements. It's light enough to maneuver, but tough enough to bite into thick, gnarly ice. The major trade-off? You gotta respect it. This isn't a decorative axe. It's a serious tool that requires skill and training. Misuse it and it can be dangerous. But in the hands of someone who knows how to handle it, this thing turns mountains into playgrounds. Vargo Tritanium Camp Cup. Sometimes it's the simplest tools that are the most underrated. The Vargo Tritanium Camp Cup is lightweight, durable, and absurdly tough. Designed for boiling, drinking, eating, or even scooping. It's made from pure titanium, which means it's corrosion resistant, won't add any metallic taste to your coffee or soup, and can be shoved directly into flames without warping. It's ultralight, yet practically indestructible, which is why backpackers and tactical teams alike swear by it. Sure, it's just a cup, but when water purification or a hot meal becomes a survival need, this is the cup that keeps on giving. Think of it as your tactical chalice. Cocoon Ultralight AirCore Pillow. Survival doesn't have to mean total discomfort, and the Cocoon Ultralight AirCore Pillow proves that. When your head hits this compact inflatable pillow after a 12-mile ruck or a long day building camp, you'll thank yourself. It uses a clever blend of synthetic fill and air support for maximum comfort without bulk, and it compresses down to almost nothing in your pack. Sure, you could wad up your jacket and call it a pillow, but that's how you wake up with a sore neck and a cranky attitude. Tactical readiness starts with rest, and this pillow punches way above its weight class. Light Warrior Mini 2 Flashlight. A good flashlight can be the difference between clarity and catastrophe in a survival scenario. The Olight Warrior Mini 2 is a compact powerhouse that throws out up to 1,750 lumens and features a dual SWIP design for tactical or EDC use. With multiple brightness settings, strobe mode, and a smart proximity sensor that reduces brightness to avoid accidental burns, it's more than just a beam. It's a smart light system. Chargeable via magnetic USB and small enough to fit in your pocket, this light means business. But don't forget to charge it regularly. Light is useless if the battery's dead. If Batman needed a pocket flashlight, this would be it. Platypus GravityWorks 4L water filter system. Clean water isn't optional, it's Survival 101. The Platypus GravityWorks 4L system makes water purification ridiculously easy, filtering up to 4 liters in under 3 minutes with 0 pumping. That's right, just hang it, fill it, and let gravity do the rest. It's ideal for base camps, group outings, or bug-out shelters where efficiency and low effort matter most. But like all filters, it needs regular cleaning and won't handle chemical contaminants, so know your water source. Still, for natural streams or emergency rain catchments, it's a life-saving game changer. Think of it as the Brita pitcher of the apocalypse, minus the plastic and smug commercials. Paracord Planet 550 Paracord. Paracord might be the duct tape of the tactical world, versatile, dependable, and endlessly useful. Paracord Planet's 550 cord is rated for 550 pounds of tensile strength, which means you can rig a shelter, secure gear, make a splint, or even weave a makeshift belt in a pinch. It's resistant to mildew and rot and has an inner strand structure that can be separated for fishing line, sewing thread, or fire tinder. Want to build a snare trap, lash poles together, tie down tarps, and gale force winds? This is your go-to. It's simple, yes, but in survival, simple often equals essential. Surviveware Mini First Aid Kit. Incidents, don't wait for the right moment. And that's why the Surviveware Mini First Aid Kit is an absolute must. This compact water-resistant kit is packed with over 100 high-quality medical supplies, including bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, trauma shears, and even a CPR guide. It's MOLLE compatible, which means you can slap it on a backpack or vest for instant access. The real strength of this kit? It's smart organization. Every item is labeled and compartmentalized, so when panic strikes, you're not digging through chaos. You don't need to be a medic to appreciate this, just someone who understands that being prepared is never optional. Alps Mountaineering Meramac 4-person tent. A shelter can make or break your survival. The Alps Mountaineering Meramac tent balances spaciousness, durability, and fast setup in a way that few tactical shelters can. Designed with heavy-duty fiberglass poles and weatherproof coatings, it's made to stand up to heavy rain and wind without becoming a nylon kite. Ventilation is solid thanks to mesh panels, and the floor is thick enough to avoid soaking through even in wet conditions. It's not ultralight, but it's perfect for team setups or longer-term camps. Plus, when the rain's coming sideways and the wind howls at 2 a.m., you'll be glad you didn't settle for something flimsier. So which one of these tactical tools would you stake your life on? Whether you're building a prepper kit, planning a trek, or just love gear that goes the distance, these gadgets deliver real performance when it counts. Let us know in the comments which one's your favorite, or if there's a must-have we missed. And if this video gave you some solid ideas, or just some gear envy, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more tactical breakdowns, gear reviews, and survival insights that keep you one step ahead, no matter what the world throws your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay sharp, stay ready.